When you search for the best oil for your lawnmower, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what will keep your mower running smoothly, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Toro SAE 30 Summer Oil. The Toro SAE 30 Summer Oil caught my attention right away. Priced at $14.12, it's designed specifically for lawnmowers, which makes it a solid choice if you want to ensure optimal performance during the warmer months. If you want reliability, this is worth a serious look. This oil has a viscosity grade of 30, which means it performs well in summer temperatures, helping your engine run cooler and more efficiently. It's great for keeping your mower's engine parts lubricated and reducing wear, so you can spend more time mowing and less time worrying about engine health. With over 900 units sold just this month, it's clearly a favorite among lawn care enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A well-lubricated engine means less maintenance and a longer lifespan for your mower. Now, some people complain that it might not perform as well in colder temperatures, which could lead to difficulty starting your mower in early spring. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily mowing in warm weather, this isn't a deal breaker at all. It's designed for summer, and using it in the right conditions can make a big difference. This is perfect for you if you live in a warm climate and need reliable summer oil for your mower. Skip this one if you often mow in cooler temperatures. For the price, it does a great job of keeping your mower in good shape. Now, if the seasonal limitation of Toro oil bothers you, this next one might offer a more versatile solution.
Product number 2, Tribotex Nano Oil Additive. Next up is the Tribotex Nano Oil Additive, priced at $118.69. This isn't just regular oil, it's a revolutionary engine treatment that promises to make high-mileage vehicles run like new. If you want something cutting edge, this is worth a serious look. This product contains synthetic nanoparticles, developed with support from agencies like NASA, which help to reverse wear in engine components. Essentially, the additive builds a protective layer in your engine, improving fuel efficiency and reducing noise. With over 200 units sold in the past month, it's clear that folks are intrigued by its promises. Here's why this matters for you. If you have an older mower or one that's been heavily used, this can help restore performance and prolong its life. Now, some reviews mention that it takes time to see results, and you might need to use it consistently to notice a difference. But here's the deal. If you're looking to boost performance long-term, this is
Product number 3, Sten's Oil for Universal Products 80W90, priced at $140.93. What caught my eye here is the 1-gallon bottle size and the fact that it meets high-performance standards. If you need something that works for different types of equipment, this is worth a serious look. With a viscosity of 80W90, this oil is designed to provide excellent anti-wear protection and stability under high pressure. It's especially beneficial for older machines or those that work hard, as it helps reduce the risk of engine failure. Over its time on the market, it has gained a reputation for reliability, with numerous ratings backing its performance. This matters for you because a well-lubricated engine means less downtime and fewer repairs in the long run. However, some customers have noted that it can be a bit thick for less demanding machines, which might lead to issues in starting. But honestly, if you're using this in heavier duty applications, that thickness is actually a benefit for protection. This is perfect for you if you have heavy duty lawn equipment that requires tough oil. Skip this if you have smaller, less demanding mowers. For the price and quality, it's a solid investment for keeping your engine protected. Now, if that weight concern is a big deal, the next product takes a different approach.
Product number 4, Sten's Oil for Universal Products, 10W30. Now we have another option from Sten's. This one is a 5-gallon pail of their 10W30 oil, priced at $148.32. This caught my attention because of its all-weather formula. If you want something that adapts to conditions, this is worth a serious look. The 10W30 viscosity rating means it performs well in a variety of temperatures, making it a versatile choice for year-round use. It contains premium additives to prevent oxidation and wear, which is crucial if you want your mower to last longer. Given its high-quality formulation, you're looking at a product that keeps your engine running smoothly no matter the season. This matters for you because you don't want to switch oils every time the weather changes. Some users have commented on the higher price compared to some conventional oils. But here's the thing. For the protection and performance you're getting, the investment can save you money in repairs down the line. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable oil that works in different weather conditions. Skip this one if you're only mowing during specific seasons. For versatility, it's worth the price. If you're concerned about price, the final product is a more budget-friendly option.
Product number 5, Sten's Hydraulic Fluid AW46, which is priced at $136.71 for a 0.47-gallon bottle. This product stood out because it's designed specifically for hydraulic systems. If you need something specialized, this is worth a serious look. The AW46 viscosity is crucial for lawnmowers with hydraulic systems, as it ensures smooth operation and helps maintain the equipment's efficiency. This fluid contains properties to resist oxidation and corrosion, which means your mower can work at its best without compromising on performance. It's a great choice if you want to protect your investment. Here's why this matters for you. Hydraulic systems are key in maintaining power and control, making the right fluid essential. However, some reviews point out that it may not be suitable for all mower types, especially those that don't have hydraulic systems. But here's the thing. If your mower does require hydraulic fluid, this is a necessary investment for optimal performance. This is perfect for you if your mower has hydraulic functions that need proper lubrication. Skip this if your mower doesn't use hydraulic fluid at all. For specialized use, it's a solid option. All right, that wraps up the 5 oils we've discussed today.
So, to recap, we've covered the Toro SAE 30 for summer use, the cutting-edge Tribotex Nano Oil for high mileage, the versatile Sten's 80W90 for heavy-duty needs, the all-weather Sten's 10W30, and finally, the specialized Sten's hydraulic fluid. Each has its unique strengths, so pick the one that suits your mower and conditions best.